Hi guys, and good morning from Batangas. So, day off namin today and we're gonna spend it here in our favorite B&B here in Lipa. Hindi pa ako masyadong makakalabas, but look at the view. Sobrang nice, right? They also have a pool there. Then you can eat there. Tapos, they also have a gym. Sobrang favorite namin itong place na to because it's super easy puntahan. Kahit mag-commute ka lang, diretso na yung bus from here. And all you have to do is ride a tricycle and nandito ka na. Hindi siya ganun ka-complicated puntahan. And it's also super near sa mga kainan and pwede kang mag-grab lang. So, we do have the time to spend it here. Nag-order ako ng matcha latte from Matcha Kyoto Latte. So, hopefully masarap siya. I'm gonna drink it later after breakfast. Lagay ko muna sa ref.
Like a bullfire, starting again till the end.
Best friend na kami ng pusa na yun. Pagkakaya tayo. Pizza na ulam namin mga pizza? Ano ba ang pizza?
Yeah, pwede. Bakit ba sarap na pizza?
Hindi ko naman may usap ko.
Ooh!
Lasahan akong cavity. Alam mo yun? May lasa ang cavity eh.
Yeah.
Pag may mga cavity,
Yeah.
gets mo ba?
Yeah.
Yung pag nag-ano ka ng laway mo, parang may sarap mo.
I-explain mo pa talaga sa vlog ko yun.
Ay! Hi guys! Cavity! Ano natin sa taas? Saan po mo?
Medyo creamy na.
See, I'm just gonna do this quick, okay?
Hawaiian, garlic parmesan, sriracha. Mukhang tama naman yung chicken. But, this is Hawaiian. Hirap naman magharap ako. Otokiji. Mild lang siya. Isa lang. I'm going to make my own matcha kasi hindi ko nagustuhan yung matcha kanina na order ko. I find it too bitter at the same time too creamy, which is hindi masyadong magandang combination. So, I actually bought my own matcha kasi gusto kong gumawa ng TikTok video kaso medyo maulan and malamig sa labas kaya tinatamad na ako. So, dito ko na lang gagawin. Nagdala ako ng kilohan and then my whisk of course. And then, nagdala na rin ako ng brown sugar. I usually use maple syrup, pero mas madaling dalhin itong brown sugar. So, ito na lang. So, let's make our matcha. It's too pretty, guys. Ganda ng pagka-green niya dito sa bowl na to. This is the matcha that I made with Kapi, and this is the matcha that I bought from the store. Just a little too sweet lang, pero unlike this one na parang creamy, sweet, bitter, hindi ko siya na maintindihan. But feeling ko dapat bawasan ko lang yung brown sugar. But I don't usually use brown sugar in matcha. Usually maple syrup ako. But pretty good matcha.